So we're going to work on cleaning these pontoons up a little bit. And I bought this stuff on Amazon. It's supposed to be good. It's Starbright aluminum polish. So we'll see. Stuff's running. Well, we cleaned it. It still looks, it kind of looks, I don't know, like galvanized or something. And then I got some of this. This is Mother's mag and aluminum polish. My local auto parts store. Let's get in here. We haven't done anything yet. Put some on here. I'll just paint some of it on. That'll be enough to get us started. What that is. Hope that's not patching a hole. Well, already that's brighter by a lot. If you can see that. So there's the differences. That's the pontoon cleaner, and that's the Mother's, which if you look close, it's starting to get a mirror finish on it. So, but I tested some of this the other day, and what I found is just about as easy to polish this. You don't have to do it hard. Won't really turn black. That really shined it up. Still got stuff coming off, oxidation and stuff. This is a 1998 boat, but I would say that's really making it shine, and you saw it wasn't a lot of work to make that happen. Okay, well, to give it the same test, I just buffed this on. Let me try rubbing it in too and see what it does. Not too much. So, that's honestly best. It's coming off pretty good. bottom where it's got really a lot of junk from being in the water, that's a little tougher. So there's the before, and there's the after. It's going to work pretty good on the railings and stuff too. It says you don't even have to press hard, just kind of rub it, just what I'm doing. Oh wow, it's starting to turn chrome. That's crazy. But if you look at it, you can see it just right. It turned that chrome for sure. Here's the dull side. Wow. So any of this aluminum on here, I think I'm going to use Mother's for shining this stuff up. But you see in just a few minutes what we're able to do just by hand.